guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's makeup look, it is going to be on this eye look. One of my subscribers had requested me to do a smoky gray look, so this is what I came up with. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I came up with this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So I don't have the paper anymore where it tells you the names of the eyeshadows from the James Charles palette, but I'm just taking this very light brown, the very lightest brown from the palette, and I'm just applying it all over my brow bone as this is going to be my transitioning color. Okay, so now focusing a little bit more on the outer corner, I am taking this black shade, then slightly taking it towards the inner corner, but I do want it to be a little bit more intensified towards the outer corner. So now I'm just going over it one more time just to blend out any harsh lines that I do see. Okay, so moving on to cutting my crease. Y'all have seen so many times how I cut my crease, so I won't be explaining step by step. Taking my finger, I am using it to blend out the eyeshadow and the concealer together. Okay, so now I'm just taking a little bit of the P. Louise base in the shade 0. I'm applying it all over the concealer, and after that I will be applying some white shadow. Moving on to my second shade, I will be taking this one from the Pretty Vulgar palette. Taking the same black shadow that we used at the very beginning, I will be smoking it out with the gray shade. Okay, so moving on to my eyeliner, I'm using the NYX matte eyeliner. This is one of my favorites at the moment. And also taking my favorite lashes from Betsy Bee Lashes. They are in the name Flawless. So now I'm just highlighting my inner corner, and what I'm using to highlight is the Pure Cosmetics Sculpture palette. Last but not least, I will be applying the same gray that I used before under my underline, oh my god, under my waterline, and I will be blending out everything together. Okay, so with that being said, this completes the whole video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification so you guys can get notified every time I do upload a video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.